Welcome to Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma, and in this video we will build a complete WordPress website in Red Hat 10 using the LAMP stack server. And this project is ideal for BCA, B.Tech, MCA, Polytechnic students and computer science students. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional website under 20 minutes. That is ideal for a college project. In college project, you can submit that. So let's go to the Red Hat machine, and we are making these videos for students. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So daily I am uploading one video. So as you can see on the screen, in the RHEL 10 machine, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10 machine, you are installing some packages that is required, right? So what is LAMP? LAMP is Linux, Apache, MariaDB, and PHP, right? So after installing these packages, we will start the required services, right? Now you can see the installation of packages completed, and after the installation of packages, we need to uh, start some services, right? So if you don't know, let's see the first command I'm showing you once again. If you don't know how to configure DNF, so first you have to see my video how to configure DNF using local DVD, and then run this command, right? So after that we have to start services, right? So how you can start services? Sudo systemctl enable and start these services immediately. And the first service is Apache service, HTTPD, and the next service is the database service, MariaDB. So these two services you need to start. After that we have to initialize the database MariaDB, right? So now initialize the MariaDB database. So the command is sudo mysql secure installation, right? Now it is showing you that enter current password row for root, right? So press enter, switch to uh, uh, yes no, switch to the uh, Unix socket authentication where you can do the no, right? So if you set the password, if you want to set the password for the MySQL DB, then you have to enter some password there, right? If you don't enter the password, then it will be blank, right? So here you can see once again, enter the current password for the root. So here you have to enter a strong password like a mixed character, like one capital, some lower letter, a special character like ASD at the rate 123, and A must be capital, right? So here you have to enter your password for the MySQL database. After that, in the second question, it is showing you yes, no. Unix socket authentication, here you can see no. Enter the no. So either another change the root password, no. Remove anonymous user, yes. Disable root login remotely, yes. Remove test database, yes. Reload privilege table now, yes. So this way we are initializing the database of MariaDB, right? And after that you need to configure the database, right? So how you can configure the database? Let's see this. So run this command carefully. So the command is sudo mysql and the username is -u root, and after that -p for password. So after entering this command, you have to enter the password in the last command. What password you have set, you have to enter now. So I am entering here my password. Now you are inside the database, right? So inside this database, you have to create the database, some user and this password. So see carefully which database I am going to create, right? Now you can see this is the first command inside the database. So you are creating the database with the name Linux for you DB, right? And default character set you are applying. So my database name is Linux for you DB. So you can choose your own name, right? Now the database is created with the name Linux for you DB, right? After that, we have to create a user and that password. Now the next command is I am creating the user Linux for you user, okay, in the local database, and I'm setting the password ASD@1234 where A is capital. So database is created, a user is created, and its password is created, right, inside the database, right? Now I am granting the all privileges to this user Linux for you DB and in this database, right? So we are granting the privileges, and after that, after granting the privileges, you are basically need to run the another command flush privileges, right? Semicolon, and after that you have to exit. Make sure you are writing in capital. So this way you created database, you have created the user and its password, and granting the privileges and exiting the database. After that, you have to go to the temp directory. So first I'm going to the temp directory, cd/temp. Now we are going to download the latest WordPress file from the wordpress.org directory, so that we can host the WordPress inside this local server, right? So sudo curl -O and carefully see the site name, wordpress.org/latest.tar.gz. So this is the compressed file we have to download from the internet, right? So in the temp directory we are downloading the latest WordPress file. So in some moment it will be downloaded. Now it is downloaded. You can see it. So now you can see this file has been downloaded inside the temp directory, right? So file is downloaded. After that we have to uncompress this file with the command sudo tar -zxvf, and the file name is latest.tar.gz. So this file will be uncompressed by this command. So this command will create a directory WordPress, right? So after the uncompress, you will see a directory. In the temp directory, there is a WordPress directory will be created where all of the uncompressed file will be there. So ls WordPress. So here you can see the content of the WordPress directory. So we have to copy these contents to the document root of Apache server. So how you can copy? Sudo cp means copy, and -r means recursively you are copying, and the content of WordPress directory, all content, where you need to copy, where www html. So inside this directory you have to copy all of the content. Now it is necessary to set the Apache permission and Apache ownership. So first we are setting the correct ownership of document root of Apache server. So the command is sudo chon -capital for recursively, and the username is Apache, and the group name is also Apache, and the directory is where www html. After that we have to set the correct permissions of this directory, right? So by which command? chmod -R, and we are setting 755 permission to this directory, right? Now we have to tune the SELinux. SELinux means security enhanced Linux. So my web server is allowed to serve content to connect the database. Otherwise, it will not be connected. My website will not be connected to the database. So sudo set cbool -P, right? And the sc boolean is httpd underscore httpd underscore can network underscore connect space. So this way we are setting the boolean, and after that we have to change the context of the directory by the chmod command. So another command is chmod, and recursive hyphen t, hyphen text is httpd underscore sys rw content underscore p, and your directory is where www. So this way we are changing the context. Now we are allowing some services in firewall that is necessary. So sudo firewall -cmd, add service is equal to, we are allowing here two services, http and https permanently, right? And after that we have to reload the firewall. After that, reloading the firewall. Now we have initialize the MySQL database and creating user, password, downloading the WordPress website, changing the permission and ownership, changing the firewall and SELinux setting, right? Right. After that, we have to open the browser, right? So now it is time to open the browser. The command is Firefox http colon. You can type the IP address of this machine, whatever IP address you have set. You can type a local host also. So I am typing the IP address of this machine. This way you have to enter the browser, inside the browser, right? So this is the correct command. There was a spelling mistake. So this is HTTP, right? So open the browser and then we are setting up the WordPress site, right? Now it is showing you the language option, right? So here you can see the language option is there, where you need to select English. So it is selected automatically, and you have to scroll down, and after that you have to continue, right? So you have to click on continue, right? Now we are setting up the WordPress website. Now the next page you can see where you will set your database. Now click on the button let's go. Here, this is the button let's go. So click on the let's go. We are setting up the database name. It is asking you the database name. So remember which database name I have given. My database name will be Linux for you DB. And what is the username you want to set? So I want to set the username WordPress admin. So you can use your any name here, and you have to enter the strong password. It is asking you the strong password. If the password is not strong, so it will not let you allow, right? So I am setting up password that is very secure. So here you have to enter the database name that you created in the MariaDB. You have to enter here a username unique username, and any password that you want. And after that you have to click on submit. Don't change anything after that. Okay. It is showing you update. It is saving you your username. So click on update. Password update. Right. In some moment it will connect. So here you have to enter your user ID password in the database name that you have just created in the MySQL DB. So whatever user and password or DB name you have created, you have to enter it, right? Now after entering the correct database name, correct username and correct password that you created in the MySQL DB, you have to click on the run installation. So run the installation. After that you will be inside the welcome page of WordPress. So here you can see it's a welcome page. So it is asking you that your website name will be what. So I'm giving you my website name, Linux for WordPress website. So this site I'm creating on RHEL server locally in WordPress hosting. Which username you want to take here? So you can take any name here. WordPress. I'm checking here. Entering here. WordPress. And it is showing you a password automatically. Enter your email ID. You can change the password if you want. If you want to change your unique password. So this is my email ID. So if you want all commands that I am using here, so please contact me on this mail. To subscribing the channel, like the video. My mail ID is timestrainer@gmail.com. And then install WordPress. This way it will create the website. Click on update. Now you have successfully created the website. Right? Now click on login. So click on the login button. It is asking you the username and IP password. So which username you have used, you have to enter here. So I have used WordPress admin and then login. This way you are successfully entering the WordPress website. So it will open the admin page where you can create the website and design that website also. If you know that how to design the website in the WordPress, yes, you can design. So where your site is, it is the admin page. So where your site is, you can open your site in the next page. So I'm opening my site on the next page. If you know the IP address of your machine, you can enter here http:// and you can type the IP address of this server, or you can type the localhost, right? I'm entering the IP address here. That is the IP address of my Linux server, and this will be my website that the WordPress has designed. And if you want to change the layout of this website, yes, you can change. Now you can see it is my Linux for you website that has designed. So this is the website you have designed. So successfully we have set up the WordPress website that can be run locally inside your whole network. So if you are liking my video, if you want all commands I have used in this project, contact me on my mail ID timestrainer@gmail.com and like my video and subscribe my channel and share this channel to other college students who are wants them. Thank you very much.